Today we're joining you from a beautiful home in the heart of Panama City. Unlike many of the homes that we do, this home is a historical restoration and a really unique project to be a part of. This house, the original structure, is over 100 years old, and we worked with the homeowner to really try to bring together that vision, keep the historical aspects of this home intact while also bringing a modern kitchen and modern cabinetry into the fold. This modern kitchen is accented with a lot of the original features of the original home, which in my opinion brings in a really cool historical aspect into this space that now has modern accessibility and features that make it a very useful kitchen in today's world. So in the kitchen, while the homeowner wanted to really maintain some original looks, they did expand the area and bring in this beautiful island that you'll see me standing in front of. It's got some gorgeous blue accenting, and we actually incorporated a couple of original legs off a long 10-foot table that used to be in place here. So it's a cool aspect where we were able to bring in some of the historical beauty of the previous home into the current kitchen that we're using today. The other thing about this renovation that was extremely special was the addition of over 20 windows. So this home is one of the best natural lighting homes that I've ever seen, and it brings in just such a spectacular view. Thank you guys for spending some time with us today in this absolutely stunning home. I want to also spend a second to thank the homeowner for giving us some time out of their day and getting this home open for us and available for us to be able to shoot in here. It really is quite an amazing home, and it's awesome to be a part of something that has been around for as long as it is. This is now the fourth family to occupy this home over the course of 100+ years, and it's very neat to be able to help them put their own touch on this house.